Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In the previous video we have talked about the web. In this video we're going to talk about the internet. So first of all, let's see the overview of this video. In this video we're going to talk about the World Wide Web, largest application, hypertext links, the first prototype, web evolution, web pages, websites, the web server, client and server, HTTP, and the last one we're going to talk about the web browsers. So let's get started. The first topic is about World Wide Web. So what is the World Wide Web? The World Wide Web, or simply the web, puts information at our fingerprint and is used by millions of people every day. You already know that almost everything is possible on the web, from checking the weather to managing your finance to shopping from anywhere at any time. But how exactly is all of this possible? In this lesson, we'll explore the inner working of the web. So, the largest application, while the internet and the web are not the same things, the two terms are often used interchangeably. The web is the largest application on the internet. The web is made of special documents that display information on your device screen. As you can see here, this large blue area is the internet and this wide area is the web. So basically the web and the internet are not the same. So the web is an application inside the internet. So hypertext links, the web is a system within the internet that enables users to search for information. Web pages make the World Wide Web. These pages connect to each other through hypertext links or hyperlink. The hypertext links enable users to search information on the web by moving from one page to another. Web pages are hypertext documents. This means that they contain hypertext links or hyperlink to connect to other pages. So here, they are the pages of a web. Basically, a web has lots of pages, and these pages are connected to each other with hyperlink. So the web was originally designed and developed at the European Organization for Nuclear Research in the 19th. The first prototype enabled scientists to share information between different universities and research institutes around the world. So the web has evolved considerably since it was invented at CERN, or European Organization Nuclear Research. Web 1.0, the read-only web. The user can only read information, no interaction or design elements. And the second version of the web is Web 2.0, the read and write web. The user can access and produce content. The web became social with applications like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And the third version of the web is 3.0, the read, write, execute web, a new iteration of the web. Computers can interpret information like humans via artificial intelligence. So let's talk about the web pages. A web page is a hypertext document. Web pages include information in the form of text, image, videos, and other type of media. Every web page has a unique web address or URL, Universal Research Locator. This URL points to IP address on the internet where the information is stored and can be found. Hypertext links or hyperlinks point to the URL of the related web page you want to jump to. So what is the website? What is the difference between web page and websites? A website is a family of multiple web pages. Web page under the same site share the same domain name, the same way you share a last name with your family. So basically we have lots of pages inside a category named website, and this page is named web page. A domain name is the unique and easy to remember name that appears after the @ in email address and after www. in web addresses. A domain name is associated with a physical IP address that identifies the location where that information for the site is stored. So what is web server? There is a vast amount of information on the web. There is no way your device has enough memory to store every one of the millions of documents that make up the web. So where does all this information live? Web servers are computers that are always connected to the internet. They are specially designed to store and share information. Clients and servers. Servers are the provider of the information that you can find on the web. Just like a waiter serves your order in a restaurant, servers take orders from other devices that connected to the internet to consume information. Clients are devices that place orders for information on the web, like what's the weather like today. Smartphones, tablets, and laptops, among other devices, are clients that request information through the web. So what is the HTTP? Clients and servers on the web need to communicate to each other, and they use a specific language for that, and HTTP is that language. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and allows requests from the clients and responses from the servers to be understood. So information on the web flows from servers to clients in the form of encoded messages that are sent through the network. The web browser acts as our translator. With a web browser, you don't need to know any special computer language to surface web. The web browser is a software application that provides a graphic interface for accessing the web. So in this lesson, we have talked that the web is the largest application on the internet. So the web and the internet, they are not the same, they are different. Internet is greater than web. Information on the web lives in servers that are always listening for requests from clients. And the last point that we have talked is that the web browser acts as a translator. It allows user to surface the web without understanding any computer's languages. So, as always, make the most of your time, and bye for now.